Good afternoon, teacher สวัสดีค่ะ
Good afternoon ค่ะ teacher
Oh, how are you today, teacher?
I'm okay ค่ะ raining all day ค่ะ here
Oh, it's raining in Wangnamkheio.
yeah
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so for today, we're going to have our paper. I will share with you so that we can see.
okay
Okay. Okay, so this is our paper for today. This is your part. Okay, this is for you. And this is my work. I will share with you also. Okay. We can start by you introducing yourself. Yes.
okay my name is Bukha teacher
How do you
Bukha
spell your name?
B U B P H A
Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. What is the date today?
today is 26 sorry ค่ะ 16 17 ค่ะ 17 okay of June ค่ะ 2017 okay
Okay. Can you tell me the name of your school?
วังน้ำเขียว Five School ค่ะ
Okay, Wangnamkheio 5 School. Okay, now tell me what is your goal for today?
today uh, this week we go for decorate again ค่ะ because last yesterday we have some people from private government come to check then we go try to decorate
Okay, we have the evaluators. From where are they? From the Ministry of Education?
I can see
Where are the evaluators from?
from maybe private government teacher
Okay, yeah. So what is your plan for today?
today we finish and then today I send our teacher to give homework for student ค่ะ
Okay, prepare homework for students. Okay, yes. Can you tell me about the things that make you proud, or what are the things that make you happy?
oh happy
What today you are very happy. Yeah, can you share with me?
no maybe we have we have some เขาเรียกอะไรอะ comment it good for our school to make to decorate more I don't
Again,
know how to
again.
uh, some from private school they give comment and then we I don't know how to เดี๋ยวนะมาโอเค
Oh,
we
okay.
you can tell me good comment
Yeah, the evaluators
yes
give you good comments. Yes, it make you
mm-hmm.
happy. Yes. Okay. So, did the evaluator say you are ready to open the school?
maybe they say you okay you school okay
Okay. Yes, that's correct. Okay. How about reading? Anything about today, like news?
reading อะไรอ่ะ teacher I what did you read I read this morning we prepare about introduction before teacher start to make video clip teacher
Production? What is that?
for teacher to before them to make video clip to teach teacher
Okay. Oh, for me,
like
I saw some. Wait, Pepin. This morning, I saw news about Thailand saying like Thailand is the first Asian country to be recovered from COVID-19. Yeah,
oh yeah
Thailand is
only two
very
two
safe. Good. Yeah. Okay. So let us have now your vocabulary. What words did you prepare for today? Number one.
This week I teach math, uh, subject math.
Yes.
I have move. I have one move along, teacher.
Again,
Move
please.
along.
Uh, again, the first word.
Okay, move along, move
Move
along.
along. Okay.
Then missing,
Number two.
Number two, missing,
Meeting. Okay.
Yes.
Number three.
Number three, number line, number line.
Number line. Okay. Uh, did you use move along in a sentence?
In English, how move along. Teacher. Move along. I change my teacher. Hard to English
You can say the word. You change. You can say move around.
Move along หนูให้เอา move along move along เหรอ
Yes.
hard to make it
Your word is difficult.
difficult เอาใหม่เอา move เฉยๆก็ได้เอา move
Okay, move. What is your word? Sentence.
We move to next room.
We move to the next room.
Next room.
Yes. Okay, next number two, meeting.
I meeting with the team. This morning กันก็ได้ค่ะ This morning.
Had the meeting with
the teacher.
This morning. Okay, what did you talk about?
About 10 clip per 10 clip.
We talked about making 10 clips.
One.
Two. I know that. Oh, yes, yes. You have to make 10 clips. Okay. Good luck. Okay, next.
Number ไม่เอาลายแล้วทีเชอร์เอา number
Okay, number.
Okay Thailand เอาอะไรนะทีเชอร์ Thailand had อะไรนะ
Rank the first. Rank the first.
The first number ใช่ไหมคะ
It's okay. Among Asian countries.
คืออะไรนะ Okay
Yeah.
น่าพิแพร์นี่ไม่ใช่มี first เนี่ยน่าพิแพร์
Okay, got it. It's here, this one. Okay. Yes. Okay, I'm going to show you my 5 words about COVID. Number one, positive. Okay, positive. They tested positive for COVID-19. They tested positive for COVID-19. Okay, can you try?
I cannot see. Okay. They tested positive from COVID-19.
Okay, that's good. We have the second word. The word is symptoms. 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 The common symptoms of COVID are cough, cold, high fever, and difficulty in breathing. The common symptoms of COVID are cough, cold, high fever, and difficulty in breathing. Okay, you try.
Okay. The common symptoms of COVID are cough, cold, high fever, and difficult in the breathing.
Okay, difficulty in breathing like หายใจไม่สะดวกค่ะ yes okay next word number 3 pandemic pandemic
Pandemic. Pandemic. Okay.
yes okay the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic. The World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic. Okay.
The World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic.
Okay, the meaning of pandemic หมายความว่า spread all over the world.
อ๋อ
Yeah.
โอเคค่ะ
Okay, next word number 4 isolate. Isolate.
Isolate.
People who have the coronavirus must be isolated. People who have the coronavirus must be isolated. Okay, you try.
Okay. People who have the coronavirus must to be isolated.
Isolated.
Oh, sorry ค่ะ isolated.
Okay, very good. The last word. Okay, everyone using this. Face mask. Face mask. Okay. Everyone must wear face mask wherever they go. Everyone must wear face mask wherever they go. Okay, you try.
Everyone must wear face mask wherever they go.
Yes. In Superwith school, when the school open, if teachers don't wear the mask, we pay money.
Oh, I will not go to your school.
Yes, because we try to, because now it's for us, we have to wear mask every day and we let students wear. Sometimes teacher and we forget to wear.
No. We have อะไรนะ Mad Shield to sell teacher
Yeah, face shield. Okay, let's have the 5 words again. Positive.
โอเคค่ะ thank you ค่ะ
One more time. Teacher, one more time. Positive.
positive
Symptom.
symptom
Pandemic.
pandemic
Isolate.
isolate
Face mask.
face mask.
Okay, so this is our paper for this week. I will share with you, for you and for me. Okay, thank you very much,
thank you
teacher.
ค่ะ
Bye. Okay.